Okay, the final tab of the order document is the descriptively named Save Print tab. It's also the F9 on your keyboard. This is where you can progress the type of document with this type of order field. If you change from a quote to a work order, you select work order here, and if you save only or print and save, this will then be saved as a work order. There is no going back. You can't go from a work order back to a quote once it's been saved that way, and you can't go back from an invoice to a work order. But that said, this is also your invoicing mechanism. So if the job is done and you're ready to invoice, you would come here, select invoice, click print and save, and the job would then be invoiced. I'm going to set this back to work order for now. If this was a warranty job, you would check this box here and be prompted for the original work order and the warranty reason. The print options are all right here. There's 4 tabs worth. The one marked header, these options all print towards the top of the order form, like business heading, remit address, time on form, things like that. The details, any of these you choose to print will print in the middle third of the order form. And the totals, including subtotal, tax, that sort of thing, these will all print at the bottom of the form. And then this 4th tab is just a couple of other options thrown in. You can print the customer service record form. Any compliance forms would be here. But also your print previewer checkbox is here. If that's checked, when you go to print, you'll see a PDF previewer of what you're about to print. And since that's checked, let's take a look at what the order form looks like. As you can see, you have the heading information at the top, the details here in the middle, and then the totals down below. Quote, work order, and invoice, they all have this same format to them. One other thing I want to show you, let's say you have a job where it's an insurance job with a deductible. Let's say there's a $50 deductible on this one, and you're going to go invoice it. You select invoice. What happens here is you now have 2 sets of printing options. That is because you have the insurance invoice as well as the customer deductible. An insurance job with a deductible, you're going to be prompted for a payment type for the cash sale. This also happens if you're going to invoice anything for a cash customer. You'll be prompted for a payment type like this. So you'll select your payment type, save. And in this case, we have the 2 documents, the cash sale for the deductible and the invoice for the insurance. And that's the basics on the Save Print tab.